guys, welcome back to the channel for all things metal roofing in North and South Carolina. I'm your host Audrey with Gator Metal Roofing, and today we're in Willow Springs and we're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing. If you guys like this content, subscribe to our channel. So Mr. Hester, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Awesome. So Mr. Hester, you recently got a Gator Metal roof. What made you get a Gator Metal roof?
I wanted something that would last a while, so I wouldn't have to go, get it replaced.
Awesome. So did you have shingles before?
Yes.
Were you having any issues with your shingles?
Well, they've been on there about 20 years, so it was time to get them replaced.
Okay, wow, nice. What made Gator stand out?
I read the reviews and everything looked good, so
Awesome.
I thought that's probably the best choice to go with.
Cool. And so when one of our marketing people came to your home to give you the free estimate, what made you move forward?
I already had a price range, and the price that he gave me fit within what I was looking for.
Awesome. So did you get multiple quotes?
No.
No?
Just one.
Okay, just one, and it was good for you.
Yep.
You feel like you got a great deal?
Yes.
Awesome. Glad to hear that. Now, did you use Gator's financing?
Yes.
What do you think?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah, I have no problem with the financing.
Awesome. Okay, so Mr. Hester, you got a glossy black Gator Metal roof. What made you choose that color?
I figured it kind of blended in with the rest of the houses. I didn't want it to stand out. So.
Right. You didn't want a bright red roof?
Right. Blue or anything like that. Let's just stick with black so it kind of fits in.
It looks really great. Matches with your shutters and all.
Yep.
Since you've had your Gator Metal roof, have you noticed any energy savings?
Yes, I've noted, energy prices were going up, so really it stayed about the same. But
Okay,
I do know everybody else is kind of complaining about energy. Their cost of electricity going up, mine has kind of stayed the same. So
That's great. That's good to hear. What'd you think about the installation team and their process?
they did a real good job. They came out, I think I'd say within 2, maybe 3 days, they had everything done and cleaned up nicely and nothing extra laying around.
Awesome. I'm glad you had a great experience with us. Would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and family?
Yes, I would.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.